Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. Today we come back with our VW again, but not on VW only itself, even the Honda Accord Euro with all about the sunroof, even convertible car and sunroof cars. The problem for most of the car, not the VW itself, even you buy an Audi, Mercedes, whatever it is, Lamborghini, Ferrari, Bugatti, whatever it is with sunroof or with the convertible roof, you have to deserve what you have to get, and you have to fix it. Maybe after 10 years the water rot in and got into the car. For I've been fixed my car exactly same situation like this one. Hopefully it's the same situation with myself, and I've been fixed about 4 Toyota Orions with the sunroof problem and the water rot inside. I tell you what happened when it's heavy rain, and I try to get the water out by put something heavy with the batteries and put dry racks underneath. Then you see the water, see my hand, my fingers, see the water come out, a lot of water, see. And this one all dry, all wet, see between all wet, see it's wet, see. And it keep coming out because more rain come, the more water come out. So if you try with the old dry racks, put it like that, and it will suck up the one down the bottom. And I even get the hole underneath the floor here. I will remove the flux so you can get the water out that way. But for a very long time, it's gonna be very long time, and it never work. So most happen for the sunroof for any car. It's not from here. It's rotted. Yeah, of course it go in here, but underneath there's the bucket, both way. So they got the bucket, and they always got the hole that release, go all the way down inside here, both side and the back one. But normally the back one very rarely faulty. Normally the front one it go down that way. And I would say, hopefully it's the same, and I can fix the problem for my brother. We have to take up this one, put down the sunroof, and you will see the hole that release for the in the bucket. That's in 90% the hose it cracks, or the hose it came off. Okay, I would say that crack, or the hose it came off from the bucket, and that's why it rolled right inside and it go in down the floor. Anyway, we try to do today is solve the problems, and the car will be no more swimming like an ocean. I hope I can fix this one like in an Orions. I've been fixed 4 of them that I said earlier, and I fixed my Honda as well. Not only just for VW, but mostly every car is sunroof is not a good idea for showing up, for look, all right, but for fixing, repair is terrible. Okay, now we get back to this one and try to undo this one. Hopefully the buckets and the house it came up, and we can just quickly fix the this one is have the little visor, got the light, so we can do the whatever people want here, or the clip here have to be in position, and here is the thing that you have to do. So this one will be like this. First of all, you have to pop out the little cover for the light inside here, and then you undo this one and do this one and do this one, pop it out, and they got another 2 bolt here, and then you can release this one. Okay, this is how it take off, and now that's how you put back, exactly the same. It's from the front because the dust and sand, little micro dust and sand, they go down for a long term and it block up. It's like a cement. So this one, still see the bucket here, got the hose here, and this we completely blocked. So I do this side first, and I come out the side, do exactly the same, and the testing, and blow it not work, get the air blow, put in here, blow until it go through, and I don't know where the hell they go in. You can blow it out, would be good. Okay, like hopefully you can see better. See here the hose that I blow inside, the one that in the bucket first to get all the dust out. Yep, normally from the bucket they're not blocking, but this is the one. So now it's blow, see? Now you can hear. Oh, beautiful, man. Oh la la, oh la la. I fixed the sunroof leaking. So many times, and it's been happening like this for my brother years and years. And I know I'm too lazy to open up because it's very hard to undo them all this shit out. And actually now you can hear it's super flow, and I can even blow. Whoa, very easy. So the blockage is gone. So now all you have to do is just go back in here and suck it back in there, because when they water in and they overflow the bucket here and it come out on the roof and it go direct straight into the car. That's all. But if you want to be good, you can secure with the cable tie here, for example, cable tie here, and then later you can use your air blow from the top. Let's see, let's do that way. Okay, mostly on the other side exactly the same, but it's not blocked at this one. So don't go wrong, I secure this one with the cable ties. So next time you guys can undo the sunroof up there and flow in the house here, and you can blow it out without any of this one. It pop out, okay? Never pop out for sure. 100% work, good jobs. So now we try to skin this one back in, and we put everything back on, and it should be safe to go without touching anything to the sunroof mechanical. I don't want you damage it. But to do this, you can do this to Orions or any, most sunroof all about the same, okay? See the water I blow out, see? To most of the car has the sunroof. If you want to keep your sunroof without water leak, it's not from the sunroof there. And I went to some mechanic place and I saw the guys will put all silicons all around and seal this one up. And I would talk to my brother, if you want to seal, I can seal it for him too. But he said no, he want a sunroof. So not all his choice, but he have to ask me to work harder. So it's hard work, but you concentrate on what you have to do and the target, the point where you want to go. So when it's something go up like this, you have to know the leak from the roof for sure. From the roof go down, and there must be a catcher for the water being blocked. That's why it overflow, it come out inside. This side a little bit alright, because they can train. That's why it's not wet down that side. But on that side, it's like an ocean. Every little rain or big heavy rain like yesterday, I can swim in there. So I put everything back, and then I would try some more dry racks. Put the battery on in a few nights until all the water come out. No more going soak into the, no more soaking into the, see the racks here. I try this one out, and yeah, and we will put battery on and on and on and on until it's all dried out, and then we don't have any steamy or smoke inside the car, and the smell of the car will be beautiful. Roof, everything on position and everything still work. That's the main key. We need to get this one test and see we undo and it works. So everything back in position, and the cable tie been tight for very strong secure next time. So what I do is try to get this old racks back in the day he used for suck up the water. So now it's dry. What I do is I bring it to the front. So because the rain yesterday was raining and it's hell wet here. So what we do is like that. Every next day we come out and replace the new racks and old racks, and leave here for tomorrow. You will see the result is they suck it in. Here we go. So they will. So this will be push it down and bring the water up all the way from the bottom of the carpet up. Will be good. Midday tomorrow we come up, turn this one around, but I believe it will be suck it all in, and all this will be wet. See, even I put my foot and hand in, see the wet come up. See, that have to bring the wets from the bottom of the cupboard up. Before, the problem is the water block it here and it come out from the catcher here, and then it go down inside and it brought it inside the car. So no big deal. Simon been fixed it, and hopefully I give you thunder lightning storm would be beautiful. Will be no trouble at all for this one. Okay, we're gonna remove the car outside and testing for the next day and see how many days it's gonna be dried out, and if we have the car have a sunroof still without the water get into the car. Okay guys, thanks for watching Simon 2. This is how the way Simon do. Doesn't matter, have to be VW, even Toyota, Honda, all the same. Even Lamborghini, all about the same, okay? The sunroof is the problem, so you better check that one. The first key, 90% is from blockage from the water catcher and the water line that go in out here. That's what happens to this car. So this is 100% fixed. Okay, thanks for watching Simon 2. See ya.